What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book Up Entertainment. Something interesting occurred in the sense of Mayua trial, and we are going on with the review for 11 June that occurred. So, the witness for the state was giving the testimony, Brigadier Ndlovu. His testimony, it was marked with inconsistencies between his detailed description of a person's clothing and his inability to describe a key physical feature. So he meticulously described, a gray jacket with some writings, a hoodie, and a white cap underneath. However, when it comes to the person's face, he states that the beard goes down, is not clearly visible, but then immediately says he is able to see the beard. So those are the quotes that you can take from Brigadier Ndlovu. He clearly describes the clothing, right? But when it comes to the beard, now he made these contradictory statements, which are obviously a significant point of exposure, because he appears to be seeing and not seeing the beard, which makes his testimony to be kind of unreliable, for a state witness, because this vagueness, it was further compounded by the fact that the photo, like others, is noted to be deleted and lacking a date anyway. So an interesting thing that happens in court is that during cross-examinations, I've seen, defense advocates or even the state, going back to the record and reading statements of what a person said, and Brigadier Ndlovu, he can be caught on this one. The first statement, he said the beard goes down, is not clearly visible, and on the just a few seconds down the line, he says in quotes, he is able to see the beard. So during cross-examination, Brigadier Ndlovu can face a very, very tough situation when he gets questioned there. So I think, that's why other people, when they are testifying in court, that's why they prefer, speaking in their own language, like the mother tongue language, instead of the English language, because the problem and challenge with English is that it's not your everyday language and it's easy to make a mistake. And the challenge and the problem is that if you make that mistake, these lawyers, they can press you on that mistake for over and over again, till you end up saying something that you don't want to say. So the fact that the guy is a brigadier, he should put it aside and just speak his mother tongue language. I'll catch you guys on the next one.